Hello YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick video of hand feeding my blood Parrot Cichlid and Jack Dempsey Cichlid. I'm going to be feeding them these frozen bloodworms right here. So I'm just going to take one of these cubes and just hold it in the water right here, and eventually it's going to be start thawing out, and the worms will start coming off, and they'll start coming over here and nipping at it. Here he comes, big blood parrot Carl. Yep, there he is. Don't see the Jack Dempsey yet. I don't know where he is. He's down there. He hasn't seen this yet. Oh, I don't know if you heard that, but he accidentally went out of the water there and sucked a whole bunch of air into his lungs. Or whatever. Not his lungs, but you know. He sucked a bunch of air in. Yeah, Carl, you shouldn't do that. He's psycho. He hasn't nipped me yet, not that he has teeth, but he's gotten pretty big. Oh, he's got my finger a little bit. Didn't hurt though. I wish he would come up here. He's not coming up for some reason. He's down there. I'm just gonna drop it. Go down. No, Carl. Oh my God. No way he just ate that whole thing. Carl, you're gonna choke, my dude. Are you good? Did you take too big of a bite? I don't know how he just ate that. Are you good? Oh, looks like he's alright. That was a humongous bite. Alright, well, that was hand feeding him. Obviously, Jack didn't want to come out. But, yeah, hand feeding your fish is a great way to establish trust between you and your fish. And, it's a lot more fun, you know, than just dropping them in and watching them eat. It's a lot more fun to hold it and actually have them come up to you. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be uploading more videos soon. So subscribe if you want to, and thanks.